Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our SST 9th class, Chapter 2, Constitutional Design from Political Science, and this is video 1. Constitutional Design. So, in this chapter, we are going to discuss democratic constitution in South Africa, why do we need a constitution, making of the Indian Constitution, guiding values of the Indian Constitution. So, basic idea of to have a constitution, meaning why our constitution makers thought that there should be some kind of constitution. So, what was the idea behind that? Then. So why the constitution was made? Because people can be religion biased, race biased, color biased, which is apartheid, discrimination on the basis of skin color, colonial rule, language biased, caste biased, untouchability, rich and poor biased, culture biased, state biased, traditional biased, oppression, majority and minority, male and female. So on these bases, there can be discrimination in the society. So constitution was made so that a good society can be established, and there should and at least there should be the political equality should be there. Now we will discuss the democratic constitution in South Africa. This was Nelson Mandela being tried for treason. As you can see, this person is Nelson Mandela. So this was Nelson Mandela being tried for treason. So he was blamed that he had done something very bad against the country, and he was blamed with treason against the country. And who blamed this? By the white South African government. He and 7 other leaders were sentenced to life imprisonment in 1962 for daring to oppose the apartheid regime in his country. So further we will understand in the chapter what was this apartheid regime. He spent the next 27 years in South Africa's most dreaded, most dreadful, horrifying prison, Robben Island. Now, what is this apartheid? The official policy of racial separation, meaning on the basis of the skin's color, people are being treated or discriminated among the society. So, this official policy of racial separation and ill treatment of blacks followed by the government of South Africa between 1948 and 1989. Treason. What is treason? The offense of attempting to overthrow the government of the state to which the offender owes allegiance. Okay, so treason basically means they will be going against the government, against the government meaning against the country. So they will be tried upon, and on the basis of that, Nelson Mandela and his 7 followers were sentenced 27 years of imprisonment. Now, struggle against apartheid. So, what was the struggle? Apartheid was the name of a system of racial discrimination unique to South Africa. The white Europeans imposed this system on South Africa. During the 17th and 18th centuries, the trading companies from Europe occupied it. But unlike India, a large number of whites had settled in South Africa and become the local rulers. Okay, so many of the Europeans, they settled down over there and become local rulers itself. The system of public places were all separate for the whites and blacks. This was called segregation. Separating like the cinema halls and beaches, railway cabins, everything is separated, that this will be for blacks, and this will be for white. These black and white community, they cannot go to a place together because they were discriminated. Blacks were discriminated. They were thought as inferior to the whites. So the system of apartheid was applied and they were being segregated. So this is called segregation. Now, since 1950, the blacks, colored, and Indians, blacks, are colored, maybe brown or basically not white, okay, and the Indians fought against the apartheid system. They launched protest marches and strikes. The African National Congress (ANC) was the umbrella organization that led the struggle against the policies of segregation. So, who fought against the policy of segregation? African National Congress. This included many workers' unions. So, in this ANC, which people were there? So, they were workers' union and the Communist Party and many sensitive whites. Even those whites who believed that the way the blacks were treated, specifically in their own country, was completely wrong. So many whites also joined this African National Congress in the favor of the blacks, colored, and the Indians. Also joined the ANC to oppose apartheid and played a leading role in this struggle. So this is it, students. We will continue the video in the next chapter. Thank you so much, students.